The internal flame of Brahmacharya. Long ago, in a quiet village nestled between the forest and the river, lived a young boy named Vivek. He was only 12, but his eyes had the staleness of an old monk. Every morning before the birds awake, Vivek would bathe in the cold river and sit still in meditation. His mother, a simple woman with great wisdom, has raised him alone after his father's life to become a sage in the Himalayas. She often told him, "Son, Brahmacharya is not about denying life, it's about becoming the master of your own fire." Vivek listened not with ears but with his heart. He promised her he would walk the path. Years passed. At 14, he stopped playing with other boys. At 15, he stopped eating sweet sweets. At 16, he began footing on full moon days. People masked him, girls staged him, but he smiled and remained silent. One night a great sage came to the village. His presence felt like a breeze of the Himalayas. He said, "Amazon, you leave a boy desert to awaken the sleeping light." The villager laughed. "A boy in our village." But the sage went straight to Vivek. Heart, heart he bowed. "I see in your eyes the fire that burns without smoke. Will you come with me to the Himalayas?" Vivek replied, Not yet. My mother still walks with tired feet. I must serve her until her smile is eternal." The sage smiled. "Then the Himalayas will come to you." The next morning Vivek found his mother peaceful, smiling in the eternal sleep. He lit the funeral pyre with steady hearts a and a steady heart. Then they walked alone, barefoot, toward the north. He crossed rivers, mountains, snow, temptation come, but he the walked on. Finally, on the 108th day, he reached cave in the Himalayas where the sage waited. There, Vivek meditated for years until even time bowed before his silence. He, re- he returned one day, glowing like the sun, and taught his village. Brahmacharya is not a case, it's the fight of the soul beyond desire, beyond death. Moral: true power lies not in weight we gain, but in weight we master. The fire within heaven controlled lights up the world. The end.